Hello everyone, Apple Buff here. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video, we're going to take a look at the black Unity Sport band. So without a further ado, let's roll the video. Recently, along with the launch of limited Black Unity Edition Apple Watch Series 6, Apple even introduced an all-new Black Unity Sport band to help celebrate Black History Month. So apparently I ordered one for $49 to see how it looks and feels like. Let's talk about the packaging first. Apple has customized the Apple Watch band packaging specifically for the Black Unity band and the Unity watch face. And comparing it with the traditional watch band boxes, it's really cool, and I'm not gonna lie, I really love the black theme a lot. Along with the Black Unity band, Apple even puts in this card that tells about the inspiration behind the band and what it actually means. So it's a kind of education that Apple gives. Now let's keep this aside and finally take a look at the band. Taking a look at the band, it itself looks quite beautiful. It has these color blocked areas that sweep across different parts of the band. Like on the pin side of the band, Apple has used green, and while on the whole side of the band, they have used red. And yes, these colors are of course an homage to the Pan-African flag. Moreover, if you take a look closely at this band, you will notice that Apple has printed a black Unity marker inside of the band along with the custom pin that says Truth, Power and Solidarity. So apparently, I would be rocking this limited edition Black Unity band with my 40mm Apple Watch Series 4. Plus, if you have updated your Apple Watch to watchOS 7.3, then you would have noticed the Unity watch face that came along with the update. That, to be honest, looks really cool. At last, all I want to say is that if you're ready to spend $49 on a sport band for your Apple Watch, then you should definitely consider the Black Unity Sport band in your list too, because it's just beautiful. So with that being said, this is Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.